rain, go away, come again another day. It's got worse. If you can believe it's got worse, it's got stronger. And look, over the road there, destroyed. It's going to come down. It's going to come down. That's going to blow off. Look at it. Oh my God. Some more metal. Make sure you can see. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh my God. Metal. Get the sign. You must save the UKIM sign. Oh my God. Oh, no. No. Nia, wouldn't want to be. Have you been asleep through all this? Oh my God. I don't know. I know it's coming down, it's going to blow down, but I'm worried I'm going to get hit. I'm worried I'm going to get hit by some metal. Have they come out? Oh, the metal's gone now, I can come back. Nia, have you got a cloth? Is it gone? Ah, it's gone. That metal's gone. I didn't want it to blow in my face. I nearly got that other one in my face. They're all waiting here for the top of that house to blow off. The people who are in it have evacuated, obviously. I'm surprised it's holding up so well. Where are they going? There's some metal roof just flew over there, did you see it? You've got to have eyes in the back of your head in case something blows your way. Oh my God. Really bad, guys, really bad. So the top of that roof's destroyed, you can see it. The roof's peeled back, so all this water's coming in. Oh my, good grief. Oh my God. If that tin comes this way, I'm disappearing. Oh yes. Look. My God. Oh, look at all that coming off the roof. There it goes. There's the other piece off the roof. He's crazy. I wouldn't be out on a bike in this. Oh my God. This is just crazy, absolutely crazy. I ain't got a clue what they're saying. Usually I can make something out. I know it's something like that's coming loose and going to blow off. Oh my God. That house is finished. Well, I bet you very rarely see footage like this, eh guys? Let's hope I haven't ruined my GoPro. God, the speeds are to take your breath away. You see the lower down bungalows, there's nothing flipping on its roof or nothing. It's pretty much okay by the looks of it. It's the stuff that's higher up. I mean, that were just like, you know, a puzzle. Oh my God. There was somebody sitting up there, a young girl earlier on, if you noticed on the video. I think it's getting more intense, guys, as well. If it gets any stronger, I'm not going to say there's going to be some right damage, because now there is damage. I was walking around earlier on, as you could see, it was strong, but it's gained in strength. See the shops with the shutter, that bit that's covering the stairs, that's starting to blow away at the front. The wind's going through them open windows and just lifting the roof. There's no way they're going to be sleeping up there for a long time. That is for sure. There's metal blowing everywhere. See, can you believe it, eh? These, about 3 of the guys here, that's their property over the road. They just keep running and getting stuff out of it. But at the end of the day, there's not a lot you can do about it, is it? If that was happening to our house, I'd be in tears now. Mind you, I've got to be careful, it still might yet. It's not over till it's over. So, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that like button, share our videos, and if you would like to show us some love by becoming a member or patron, we'd appreciate that. If not, just continue and watch our videos, that's fine. Another piece of roof just flew off, look. That house is destroyed now. That, I just pull it down and start again. It's half hollow block and the rest, the top half is wood. I just pull it down and start again. Can you hear the wind? My God. The good thing is the wind's blowing that way, so everything will blow over that way and not towards us. See, nothing stops the food.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,